Alright, this is a little preview of our permaculture lot in southwest Florida. Got a Mexican sunflower, Tithonia diversifolia, which also acts as a fertilizer, banana tree, and a Barbados cherry tucked in right next to it. And got some more Mexican sunflower in behind. A little grove of pineapples. Got a Dancy tangerine in the back. We have a mulberry, Shangri-La. And we got cherry of the Rio Grande. And here we have a white mulberry, rather large. Brown turkey fig. Pomegranate. Got a Myers lemon. And the border is all cocoa plum. We got papaya. Some bananas trees. We got a Valencia orange. We have a Nam Dak Mai mango. Pretty good little fruit set. Got more Tithonia diversifolia, also known as Mexican sunflower, all the way around. Here we've got a Jamaican strawberry. Let's not forget the green Ischia fig. This is a very nice fig tree. When they ripen, they're green, and the birds stay away from them because they don't know that they're ripe yet. Here we have a Kerry mango. This is all pigeon pea, by the way. All this in here. Cherry mango, more pigeon pea, and a fruit punch mango. Our ice cream bananas. This is dwarf Cavendish banana. A jackfruit. Gooseberry, star gooseberry. Very sour. And then all along the western cedars, we've got passion fruit, loaded with passion fruit. We've got a bunch of flowers, passion fruit flowers today. And passion fruit. And we got a regular carambola starfruit, and we got muscadine grapes with the passion fruit. Oh, look at all the passion fruit. It's loaded. And we got the muscadine grapevine. We have a newly planted here's my moringa. Newly planted loquat. Ed's loquat. Sorry, I had a brain freeze for a minute. Over here we got a persimmon. It's wintering over, getting ready to come out with new leaves. Over here we have a guava. Coconut tree. There's a sapodilla on here. There's lots of more Mexican sunflower I grow for fertilizer. And over here we have a Florida Prince peach. And another coconut tree. All in all, there's many loads of this mulch, arborist mulch, down on the floor, everywhere. The whole floor bed here is 8 to 12 inches thick, probably.